What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we booked profits from this point to the lowest point of about 25%. Then I will continue with the fundamental news. I will show you what news might be the catalyst for the upcoming weeks for oil and natural gas prices. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point. And at that moment, I've told you that we already has potentially about 14% of potential profit, because on the video before my previous video, I've encouraged you to enter your short position at this point, and with anticipation that we were in the downtrend and we have to complete the 5-wave structure. And in general, we have to see for now the bounce to the upside and then another leg to the downside. And for now, I have to say that we are in green. Those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you probably booked about 14% of potential profit, or if you were quite risky, you put your stop loss on the green territory, and you are in green from this point for about 21 or 25% depending on your exit point, because we hit exactly the double bottom pattern. And congratulations to all of you who took this call and who entered the position. I have to say that it is quite interesting ticker symbol. We are on oil, as you can see, and it is a leveraged ETF, and it allows us to have more exposure on the market, and this means we might have potential higher profits, but with the higher risks. And I made several calls previously from the beginning of April. I have to say that not all of them were successful. We lost 6% right here, and we lost again about 6% depending on your entry price right here. And other calls was quite successful. And in general, on the most conservative side, we potentially already booked about 45% of profit. And if you had a little more success, you can definitely overtake the barrier of 50% of potential profit in a matter of just 2 months. So definitely very good achievements. And if you want to be a part of this community, subscribe to my channel with notification bell and hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. So what is the news that might drive the price of natural gas? Let's start with this one. We are on oilprice.com, and this article was published on May 28th. And it says, natural gas prices could fall below zero in parts of Europe. And let me quote to this. As tepid demand for gas from power generation and industry has sent European natural gas prices into a free fall in recent weeks, traders and industry officials are not ruling out the possibility that Europe may see a brief dip below zero for day-ahead prices in some markets this summer. So, and I think it is the second time in the history when the price of oil and gas becomes negative, and previously it was during the pandemic hit when the oil prices broke the zero level and it became negative. But right now we also might see a bounce. And let me show you another article that was published on May 29th on Yahoo Finance, and it's titled "Natural gas prices tick down 16% as demand worries linger." And let me quote to this. The US Energy Department's weekly inventory releases showed a lower than expected increase in natural gas supplies. Despite the positive inventory numbers, futures slumped nearly 16% week over week, overwhelmed by expectations for comfortable temperatures and therefore lighter heating or cooling demand. In fact, the market hasn't been kind to natural gas in 2023, with the commodity trading considerably lower year to date and briefly breaking below the $2 threshold for the first time since 2020. And guys, I have to say that if you see a lot of bearish news that is mirroring the movement to the downside of certain assets, most likely we are about to see the trend reversal. And because of this, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's take a look on the nat gas future prices and nat gas spot prices as well. Right here, we are on nat gas spot prices. We completed 5-wave structure to the upside, and right now we are forming this retracement. We are still, I think we are still in the retracement mode, because if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see, we only hit the golden pocket range, and statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. Right now we are on nowhere's territory, because on the one hand we have confirmation, pretty much a confirmation from ticker symbol BOIL that probably we are in downtrend, but natural gas spot prices are quite on neutral territory, because we might see the bounce out of the golden pocket range, and if it happens, we might break these previous highs, and we might establish higher highs on the medium-term perspective. So that is why let's continue with the ticker symbol BOIL. If you are still in the position, I highly suggest you to leave your position and to book your profits, because right now we are in a very lucrative position. We booked a lot of profit with this asset, and we have to wait for the reaction, and the reaction might be following. We might see the bounce to the upside, and then somewhere in the future, probably next week, we might see the movement to the downside that will break this bottom. In this case, we will confirm this movement to the downside, and in this case, somewhere lower, we will see the trend reversal. But from natural gas spot prices, we might see this bounce to the upside right here, and this action doesn't break the entire structure. On top of that, let's take a look on natural gas future prices, and from its swing low, from this point, we might have, this is our first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth wave. And every wave has a 5-wave structure on it, and we don't have an overlapping on the fourth wave, on the territory of the first one. And right here, we also have 5-wave structure to the downside, which implies only a wave. Then we have 3-wave structure with an extension in the B wave that implies B wave on a bigger scale, and we are forming the C wave right now. And if it is the case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we already formed it, and we hit the double bottom pattern, and this is also quite bullish pattern. This means in ticker symbol BOIL we have to leave our position, because from the natural gas spot prices and natural gas futures, we have to see at least a bounce to the upside that will reduce our potential profit, and that will eventually might hit even our stop loss order. That is why just to wait for more confirmation, and subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button if you want to see the latest updates on this ticker symbol. And I think that's all. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just